Hey everybody, welcome back to Woodness Goodness. I'm Graham, and I made up this quick build. Got the idea from a friend's old coffee table. It kind of looked like a bird cage with a nice slab of wood on top. So here's what I came up with. So, I had these two cutoffs. I actually have a bunch of cutoffs in my kind of wood scrap pile that I collect over time. And I got this at an old lumber yard. These are just cutoffs, so we're gonna burn them, and I took them and I cut them to size, realized they could be a really cool little side table. So, we have these two hunks of wood. They're about 8 inches by 3 inches. And then I've got this 3-inch flat bar stock, and I welded up a little frame underneath the wood. Then I welded all these 1/4-inch round stock rods, kind of like a cage. You can stick your poodle in there, kids who disobey you. I think it looks kind of cool. It's really easy to make. I made this in a day. Then I just sprayed it with some polyacrylic up top, cleaned the metal, and we're good to go. I might have to put some feet on it so it doesn't scratch the floor, but anyhow, this is what I came up with, and this is how I did it.